My question is, what do you think the importance of FIBA doing these type of events to bring bankers to it? Is it the panels? Is it the networking opportunities? Is it the case studies? What is the importance of FIBA doing these events?
We have to remember that banking continues to be a people business. Even with all the technology that's crucial for banks to be more competitive by reducing costs, we're still a people business. And so this forum and forums like this that FIBA hosts are very important because it brings together bankers, particularly on the international side, where basically the face-to-face contact is very, very important for the banking relationship. And so I think that these conferences, particularly in a place like Miami, where it is a center for international trade and also has great logistical advantages for people moving, traveling to Miami, to other countries, I think that FIBA is playing a pivotal role in bringing the bankers together, having these discussions on what are the key issues affecting trade finance in this conference. And I think that also inviting regulators and other policy makers to hear what the bankers have to say and take into consideration for future modifications in the laws and regulations.